Welcome back. This is Justin, and I wanted to give a quick lake update for Newcastle Reservoir, southern Utah. And this is footage from Wednesday, September 29th, so fall. The good news is the algae is going away. A lot of the green algae is dissipating and should continue to do so. The bad news is this is the lowest the lake has been, at least the lowest I've ever seen it. So especially on the east side of the lake, as you see, there is shallow water and a lot of mud. The lake has really shrunk. What's happening right now? I had a hot topwater bite early in the morning along the bank for smallmouth bass. A lot of smaller smallmouth bass, but there are some good ones to be caught. Now, I did see some topwater action out in the middle, about 30 yards off the shore, and it looked to be trout, rainbow trout, busting the surface. I wasn't able to reach them from the shore because I did not bring my kayak because of the wind forecast, but that appeared to be trout action out in the middle of the lake. And to be honest, I haven't figured the wipers out yet. Seems like there's a lot of luck involved, and they always talk about going out at night on a full moon and fishing anchovies, fishing deep, and that's probably the way to go. What's the forecast? Well, I'm guessing falling air temperatures, water temperatures, and shorter days should increase the bite as the fish fatten up for the winter. The smallie bite will probably be hottest first and then dying off as the water gets colder and colder. The rainbow trout bite is probably going to be hotter later, but longer as it goes full into ice over. And I guess there's some folks that go out there and ice fish. Again, the wipers are a mystery to me. I love catching them, but I'm not very good at it. Another mystery is how the low water will affect the fall bite. I'm not a fisheries biologist, so I don't know how that impacts the lake long term, especially over the winter. If you're new to Newcastle, remember the bait and food forage, primarily three things: crawdads for the smallies especially, and the wipers deeper. There's also golden shiners in this lake, so anything that imitates a golden shiner is going to do well. And actually, the fish feed on the green sunfish, even the trout. I had a hot bite last year on green sunfish. And then, of course, aquatic bugs and invertebrates. So get out there to Newcastle before it's ice out.